Good morning, dear student. Welcome my today class. Today I will teach chapter number 13, magnetic effect of electric current. And today topic is in this chapter domestic electric circuit. Okay, student, you can see in the one picture on this green board. Okay, this picture is a schematic diagram of one of the common domestic circuit. Okay, this is a common domestic circuit diagram, and this picture you can see in this common domestic circuit diagram parts. Okay, so this wire is a earth wire. Okay, and this wire is a live wire. Okay, this wire is a live wire, and this wire is a neutral wire. Okay, this wire is a neutral wire, and this rectangle box is a electricity board fuse. Okay, after then this circle box is a electricity meter. Okay, this is a electricity meter. After then this rectangle box is a distribution box containing main switch and fuse for each circuit. Okay, I hope you understood in this schematic circuit diagram. Okay, so student, the neutral wire, okay, and neutral wire and live wire. Okay, this neutral wire and this live wire between potential difference is a 220 volt. Okay, this live wire and neutral wire potential difference between is a 220 volt. Okay, student, in the domestic electric circuit, okay, so in our houses we receive supply of electric power through a main supply. Okay, and also called mains. Okay, main supply also called mains, either supported through overhead electric poles or underground cables. Okay, overhead electric poles and underground cables. One of the wire is supply usually with red insulation cover. Okay, is called red insulation cover is called live wire. Okay, so this red insulated cover wire is live wire. Okay, called live wire. Okay, so and usually with red insulation cover is called live wire or positive wire. Okay, another wire with black insulation is cover is called neutral wire or negative wire. So this wire is black insulation cover is called neutral wire. Okay, or negative wire, and this live wire red insulated cover is live wire, and this is a positive wire. Okay, live wire positive wire and neutral wire negative wire. Okay, so in our country, student, the potential difference between live wire and neutral wire is a 220 volt. Student, at the meter board in the house, these wires pass through pass into a electricity meter through a main switch. Okay, through the main switch they are connected to the live wire in house. Okay, so these wires supply electricity to separate circuits within the house. Often two separate circuits are used, one up 15 ammeter current rating for appliances with higher power ratings such as geyser, air coolers, etc. Okay, the other current if is of a 5 ammeter current rating for bulbs, fans, okay, etc. And the earth wire which has insulation of green color is usually connected to metal plate deep in the earth near house. Okay, this is used as a safety measure, especially for those appliances that so student, this is used for safety measures, especially for those applications that have a metallic body, for example electric press, tester, table fan, refrigerator. The metallic body is connected to the earth wire, okay, with provide a low resistance conducting for the current. Okay, thus it ensure that any leakage of current, okay, metallic body of the appliance keeps thus ensure that, okay, which provides low resistance conducting path for current. Thus it is ensure that any leakage of current to metallic body of the appliance keeps its potential to that of the earth, and the user may not get a serve electric short. Okay, student, in this schematic diagram, okay, give schematic diagram one of the common domestic circuit. In such separate circuits, different appliances has separate switch on or off. The flow of current it, okay, the flow of current it in order that each appliance has equal potential difference. They are connected parallel to each other. Okay, student, electric fuse is an important component of all domestic circuit. Okay, important component of all domestic circuit, and we have already studied the principle of working of fuse in the previous chapter. If fuse is in circuit prevent damage to the appliances and the circuit due to overloading. Okay, overloading can occur when the live wire and neutral wire come direct contact. Okay, live wire and neutral wire direct contact for this result is overloading. Okay, and overloading occurring in insulator wire damage. Okay, there is fault in the, okay, in such situation the current in circuit drop increases. Okay, this is called short circuit. The use of electric fuse prevent the electric circuit and the appliance from possible damage by stopping the flow of unduly high electric current. Okay, so the joule heating that keeps place in the fuse melts it to break the electric circuit. Overloading can also occur due to an accidental like hike in the supply voltage. Sometimes overloading is caused by connecting to many appliances to a single socket. Okay, so student, I hope you understood about domestic electric circuit. Regarding this topic, any doubt? you can feel free to ask me. Have a nice day. Good day.